Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here, and this is my first day trade in the THINKORSWIM platform. As you can see right there on the screen, my profit for today is $51.63. You guys know that I'm big on locking in those profits, whether it's small or large. And yeah, overall the transition between Robinhood into the TD Amertirade THINKORSWIM platform, it was such a breeze. It was really easy. It only took like a couple of days to transfer the funds over into this platform here. Robinhood actually only allows $50,000 per day for you to take out the money, so that was a 2-day transition for me to actually wait on that, and I was able to trade live on Friday. Yeah, and also because my account size, it's over $25,000, I'm able to day trade in THINKORSWIM. And another thing, that what they were having is a promotion. So if you have $25,000 or more, if you deposit more than that, they give you $100 free just for doing that. So I signed up for a new account, and now my account size went up $100. I'm super happy with everything that I've been doing, keeping up with all my profits, also writing down every trade that I made, and keeping everything simple. I only trade one stock. You guys already know it's Amazon, and actually Amazon had a bad day, and I was still able to profit $51.63 because of that. Overall, I'm super pumped. I don't have to deal with Robinhood. I mean, it was really good for what it was, but just in order for me to execute trades faster, Robinhood just wasn't for me. So yeah, again, I don't know if you guys are still using that. Robinhood is a super great platform to use, but in terms of like day trading as a whole, because you need speed, definitely THINKORSWIM platform is the right one for you. So again, it didn't feel any different because I was accustomed to practicing on paper trading with the THINKORSWIM platform, as well, as you remember from my past videos. So yeah, it didn't feel any different. Everything was just the same, locking in profits and just moving forward. This is what I'm going to be using in the future. So yeah, overall account size now, it's $65,208.17. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys actually still using Robinhood, or are you guys actually using THINKORSWIM platform? I don't know if it can help someone in the future. But yeah, follow my journey, and this is VolatilityTV. So subscribe, hit the bell button, and all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. Peace.